Here's one of the lists at Capitol Gateway Wall. That's a disgusting button. The reason why I'm doing a retake is because last time I missed one of the lists here. It's an 80s Otis hydraulic. Does it have classic leveling? Here's your lantern. Ground. Otis Series 1. Disappearing indicator it's not burned out. Ground. There's your fixtures. Takes a while to level. Back to Gateway Lane. Up arrow. Tiling, ceiling, cab. 780 kgs or 11 persons. What should go out? What should that classic leveling? And that's it. Here's the other lift at Capitol Gateway and Freedom Furniture. Ground. Oh, sadly the inside buttons are not red. Same indicator as the last lift. And here at the ground floor. Take it back up. Basic cab. Tiling, ceiling. Same capacity as the other lift, 780 kgs, 11 persons. And let's watch the classic leveling. Focus, and that's it.